Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day of India. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I invite all the dignitaries for puja. Now I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest Vasu sir to hoist the flag. So please.
इधर आई गोविंद सर
All teachers, attention. एक साथ राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के लिए सलामी दोगे, सलामी दो। एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू कर।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Hands down. 3 कॉमिनारे लगाएंगे ऊंचे आवाज में। भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय।
एक साथ झंडा गीत शुरू कर। sanities. Relax.
I request all dignitaries, please be seated. I would like to call upon our Principal Prabhu Sir to come forward to felicitate Vasu Sir. Again, I request to come forward to felicitate Gupta Sir, Principal of SGIMA Atigre. I invite Prabhu Sir to come forward to felicitate Prabhu Sir, SGIMA Sangli. Thank you, sir. All the dignitaries, please be seated. Now I welcome our Principal Prabhu Sir to speak a few words. Please come, sir.
Respected our director Vasu sir and center head of IIT and Medical Academy Atigri Gupta sir, center head of IIT and Medical Academy Sangli Prabhu sir, Salunke sir, Anil sir, and all the teachers and my dear colleagues and those who are there on the live. To my respected parents and to my loved students, and thanks for your participation. This is the second time it is happened. Actually last year because of the floods we could not call the students, and again because of this COVID pandemic we could not call the parents and students. With limited staff we are organizing this function. So once again I would like to thank for all of your participation and welcome. I want to welcome all of you for this celebration of Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. It reminds great joy of nationalism and patriotism towards our nation. And actually we all should feel proud of this, proud to be part of this program, to part of this independent nation, which provides freedom to live our lives in our way. Earlier the scenario was different, 73 years back, because all our people, our country people used to struggle a lot. Because you know, India was known as सोने की चिड़िया, मतलब it is full of resources. India is full of resources. We are having plenty of land with great minerals and rocks. And because of all these resources, Britishers, they came forward and they used to rule us almost 200 years. And our ancient people, they used to do the slavery. But later on, after so many legends, freedom fighters, then we got this freedom. So now what I would like to tell you, dear friends, let us make commitments afresh and let us do the work hard. Let us turn into such a sublime and super entity to spoil every conspiracy against our nation. And now from last 5 months, we are in great pandemic situation because of COVID-19. Entire world is facing the problem. And I would like to salute and I want to appreciate the works they are doing, dedicated by doctors. I want to salute to entire world, doctors of entire world, and I want to salute total the employees of health department, and I want to salute the municipal employees, entire department of municipal employees, and I want to salute all the workers because they are contributing their life. You know, I don't know regular citizens how many of us got COVID-19. But so many doctors, they got COVID-19 as positive. Because as they are serving the nation, they got that. Really, all we should have that gratitude. I want to show my great gratitude to all the doctors, to all the workers during this pandemic situation. And thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Again, I request Gupta sir to share some words with us. Sorry. Again, I request Vasu sir to share some words with us.
Good morning, all of you. Happy Independence Day for all of you, all the teachers, parents, students, and my colleagues. Right? And give me grace sitting on the diagram. First of all, I should say thanks to all these three departments of our country: the police department, medical department, and municipality department, who are actually taking risk of their lives and serving us. So at least now I think we have to learn a lesson from the nature. Like not just, we have to take care of ourselves, and we have to take care of our maid, our neighborhood, our relatives, and our colleagues, everybody. Now the nature has made us to learn a lesson. एक सबक सिखाया नेचर ने कि सबका ख्याल अपन रखना है, सिर्फ अपना ख्याल नहीं, सिर्फ अपना ख्याल रखने से कुछ नहीं होगा. So this is how we have to learn a lesson from this, because government is giving some rules and regulations for us to follow. Last March 23rd को 24th को जैसा लॉकडाउन इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है. By God's grace, we have started classes by 29th of 30th. Immediately we took the steps and we have started the classes, online classes. So at least now everybody has to know how you should be not just taking care of yourself, not just an individual citizen, but you should take care of other citizens also. Why I am actually telling is, government has imposed some rules, like you have to maintain social distancing, you have to keep the mask, you have to clean your hands, right? So all these precautions, government is actually, they are giving a lot of advertisement. Even you call anybody, you are getting that ringing tone about the COVID and everything. So we are all getting here, but how many of us are following this? Right, that is very important. Of course, I have removed the mask just for convenience, right? So we should also think of these things, like how many of us are following this? Because anything, if you want to fight with the COVID or anything, we should have that coordination within us. When that coordination is not there, we will not be successful. Now you can see it is rapidly increasing now. The cases are rapidly increasing now. So I actually would like to tell a small story in this. You can just understand because how the cooperation, if the cooperation is not there in the society, how it is going to be affected. So there is a king, a small story here. So in his kingdom there are a number of farmers and industrialists. Many people were there in the king's kingdom. So everybody in the citizens, whoever is there in the kingdom, all of them were suffering with one problem in the kingdom. The problem is the snake bite. There are many number of snakes in his kingdom, and everybody was suffering with this snake bite. Means from every family there is one person who is dying with the snake bite. So that was the problem in that kingdom. So what the king was very intellectual, is very good decision maker. So he passed one rule. The king passed one rule. They said, now onwards, whoever gets one dead body of that snake, I'll pay him one gold coin. So then people started killing the snakes. Many of them, they killed many snakes. And they bought the body of the snake, and they are collecting that gold coin. It was happened like that. So within 1 month, they got that problem. Just like lockdown, they also posed this, and that problem was cleared. Within 1 month, everybody is cleared and no snake bites, nothing. Problem is solved. Again, after 2 months, the problem has become doubled. There are again many number of snakes in the kingdom, and many are getting affected with the snake bites. What king, he has become amazed. He was not knowing what to do. What he has done is, he called that CBI people, intelligence bureau will be there, I think. So he called those people, Gudachari. So he called those people and he just, made them to do survey in the country. What is going on? So in the survey, what they could find is, they did the survey and they went to the king, and what they told to the king, that some of the citizens, what they are doing is, they are breeding snakes and killing them and getting the bodies and collecting the money. They are doing business like this. You are able to understand what I am saying? See sanitizers we are using. Yesterday I got to see the news. Some of them are impure sanitizers. They are preparing the methanol. They are not using, generally the sanitizers they use isopropyl alcohol and glycerol. They are using methanol. Methanol is a very cheap product and very harmful. Even you may lose eyesight out. They are mixing. I just want to tell you in this regard, because all we are about 137 crore population in India. All are unitedly, it's not just we. Don't think of only we have to do. See, try to correct the other people also. When you are correcting other people also, then only we can fight with this condition. We can move forward. Always, in the teachers meeting also, I will be telling this point. Many teachers meeting, I told this point. 99% teachers, I can say they cooperate. 1%, they also cooperate. But their cooperation will be different. Means they go in a different sense. Means they say, वो बोलते रहता है वासु सर हम करने का करना है. What I tell to 99% teachers is, you should work for the students. Not only you should work for the students, you should also work for these 1% teachers. Let us do the work in such a way that their families live because of us. We have to do work like that. So don't have an idea that we are all following, these two are not following, they are not doing, why we have to do, not like that. Feel that, for those two candidates also we are all working. When we have that sense in the mind, we won't be bothered to cooperate and to do the work. So this is what the thing is. So let us all follow the rules of this pandemic situation. Let us cooperate with the government. Let us, fight with this situation, and let us hope that we will come back as early as possible. And one more point I just want to bring to your notice. We have imported Rafale aircrafts recently. Because as an academician, it's my feeling, I just want to share with you, with students also. recently we have imported Rafale aircrafts. Of course, we are very proud. We have become superpower, and we have become the counterpart for our neighbor country, China, Pakistan, everybody. And I also felt very happy because we got those, aircrafts very good. I am not against anything or anything. As an academician, I would like to express my feelings. So, but after exporting that, just I have gone through internet. I have browsed, the population of France. So we are almost 137 crores. Their population, 7 crores. Now, how many engineers we produce, every year? India we produce 15 lakh engineers per annum. How many engineers they produce? They produce 30,000 engineers. And we are importing aircrafts from them. Very good. So, see, because as an academician, it's my feeling. Because there, and the one more thing is, in the France, you can see many of our scientists are there, many of our students are there, who are there in the country and developing all these things. So this is all, because we should have one sense that, success means not the individual success. We focus on always on the word individual success. But always when we have a feeling that a team success is the individual success. If you feel that if AGI got the result means I got the result. Not that I got the result in chemistry means AGI got the result. Not like that. If AGI is getting the result means it is my result. Not that in my subject I am getting the result is because of that AGI is improving. When we have that feeling, we cannot have that coordinated work. So we should have that spirit, that team result, team success is our success. Don't have in the mind that our success is team success. So when we have that feeling, so definitely that will be a real teamwork. And in this situation, actually, you require that teamwork or coordinated work in this situation. Even now, what the pandemic situation is existing, we should have that. It's just like we are hygienic, and we are in the home, we are very clean. Not that now you should look after the roads and your neighborhood also. Because we just dump whatever the garbage is there, we just dump outside. And from that, the mosquitoes start coming out. And mosquito is a social animal. It is not a BJP or not a Congress. It will bite everybody. So everybody will get affected. So on this day, it's my suggestion for everybody. Let us be coordinated. Let us be a coordinated citizen. Let us all fight together with this situation and hope that even I got some of my friends working in Bharat Biotech. Some of them are scientists also there. Hope that because some of my friends are telling the work is very vigorous and government is supporting a lot, for producing vaccine and all that. So let us hope the vaccine comes as early as possible, and let us hope for the good days, because schools, no children, colleges, no children, right? And many teachers are suffering, and suffering with the financial problems, right? Suffering with psychological problems also, many of them. So let us hope we'll get good days, right? We'll have a good future. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Again, I feel immense privilege to express the vote of thanks on behalf of Sanjay Godawat Olympiad School to the Honorable Chief Guest Vasu sir, Gupta sir, Salunke sir, Prabhu sir, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents as well as my dear students progressing the today's occasion, making it special. I hope this occasion will be indelible memory for us to cherish for years to come. Profound thanks to one and all for being part of this wonderful celebration.